Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change stamp on Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive and then in here you just click on three lines icon at the top and then click on a setting. Click on setting and then in here you can click on choose stamp and you can choose the theme that you want. You can choose a dark theme or light theme like this. This is light and this is a dark. So that's how to change theme on Google Drive, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.